the Gadget God here, and today I'm going to show you hidden features on your fancy iPhone 10. Now the first one is something that everyone is going to want to know. You missed the home button on your iPhone 10? You don't have to, because you can add a physical home button to your screen. So if I'm in an app, now I have a physical home button, and I can actually move that button wherever I want. I prefer to put it in the old home button spot, and I can actually set different settings for it to do. So if I want Control Center, if I want Siri, I can just tap the button and select some different options. So how do I set that up? To set it up, go to Settings, go to General, go to Accessibility, scroll down and choose Assistive Touch and turn Assistive Touch on. That will give you your home button back, and if you want, you can actually add additional buttons as well. So if you want more than 6, these are all the different options you can pick from. Plenty. I'm going to keep mine at 6, and now I have a home button. No need to miss it, just like my old iPhone. Hidden features on the iPhone 10. Now I do have some more, but you don't want to hear me talk all day. You want to get back to watching some of my other videos. So let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click subscribe to join the Gadget God squad. And if you didn't know already, I'm the Gadget God. I do the research, so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, everyone. And enjoy your iPhone 10 even better than you did before.